What up, people? What it do? It's a little Meek Mill playing on Shade 45. I hope everybody had a good day today. Just leaving the workplace, as you can tell. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Getting that work in today. Now, we finna roll out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get to the crib. I think it's gonna rain today. Yeah, buddy, it look like it. Which it sucks because the baby boy is playing baseball. And his last game was rained out. This game might be rained out because of the weather today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, jump out there. Oh, baby. Man, you know, I'm gonna need some help too because the old the old scat pack is due to be returned January. So I gotta try to figure out what I'm gonna get next. You know what I'm saying? With it. I gotta try to figure out what we're gonna do next. You know? I don't know, but I gotta figure something out, so I don't know what y'all think. Smoking on that. Ooh. What y'all smoking on out there? Anybody smoking on anything? Anybody smoking on anything? What you smoking on, baby? You know, but I'm gonna go ahead. I just want to check in with y'all, make sure everybody had a good day. I hope everybody had a great day, a blessed day. You know what I'm saying? I hope you getting out of work. It's 3:05. Ooh, baby, see? Boom. Raining on them again. Dang. I don't think the baby boy gonna have baseball. It's crazy. They gonna rain him out. So I gotta figure out what's going on with the baby boy, and because now we got all this weather here, you know. So I'm gonna get with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Ghost is out, baby. What up, dog?